Industrial operations are more connected than ever, but the work, it still happens on the floor, in fast-moving, high-stakes moments. Most teams still can't operate at full capacity, not because they don't have tools, but because knowledge moves too slowly, training takes too long, standards drift, execution varies from shift to shift. The advantage now? Workforce agility. Because your people are the competitive edge, and AI should strengthen every part of how they learn, work, and improve. Dozuki is the connected worker platform that brings knowledge, training, and execution into one system, with industrial AI embedded across the workflow. Capture expertise once, then scale it everywhere. A frontline expert records the best way to do the job. Dozuki uses industrial AI to turn that expertise into structured guidance, delivered instantly across sites. AI accelerates training and onboarding with clear guidance, simple checkoffs, and consistent expectations across every shift and location. AI-assisted execution keeps workflows clear in the moment, tracks completion in real time, and helps teams spot issues before they become delays. Improvement starts on the front line. Feedback is captured in the moment, reviewed, and turned into a versioned standard that rolls back out to the floor, so the next worker starts one step ahead. Because AI is embedded across knowledge, training, execution, and feedback, Dozuki surfaces operational patterns, coordinates teams across silos, and keeps frontline work and operational data in sync. The result? A more resilient workforce, shared global standards, and consistent performance at scale. Every day, Dozuki connects over 1 million workers across thousands of facilities. Join their ranks.